Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on your Honor Magic X7. So to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. From here, find the files that you want to unpack. Click on them, then click on this arrow pointing up. If you want to change the designation where the files will be unpacked, you'll need to click on the Browse. Here you can pick designation. Let's go with the Downloads folder. You can also change any of these options, and when it's ready, click on OK. Here we've just unpacked these 3 files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.